Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Ezugwu Chukwudi Nkubi inside studio. And oh, carry come now from the trending news inside of Nigeria political boxing ring. This one got to do with the arrest of 7 judges for inside of Nigeria by the DSS. Just when they come out and say they don't grant them bail on self-recognition. That is to say, we recognize they will be senior citizens of Obodo Nigeria, more than go house. But the DSS don't come and come talk say that they carry out step when we say they go use arraign these people for court. But some Nigerians go come and come and say, we have continued in this practice and tradition of IGG, that is initial gragra. We go come out, talk for news, snap picture, do everything, talk tough, do this, but at the end of the day, nothing go still come out of them. Some people talk say this particular matter, oh, they believe say nothing go come out of them because who go judge? If dem talk say judiciary na the problem, who go come judge? Other people come and come and say this one when we say President Muhammadu Buhari, he not put him leg down. Say we won't fight corruption. Say for high places, for low places, for middle places, they go fight the corruption. We go try our phone lines open now. Make you call in to use your wisdom or native intelligence. Tell us whether this particular case, as they don't grant them bail when they go out now, as some other people don't collect bail, whether we go hear anything for this particular matter, have been a trial by media.
Look, we no go give room for lawlessness because if a case they don't cover, say yes, these judges at least do something wrong. It is our right as Nigerians to ensure we see the end of this thing. This is already they mentioned initial gragra. Who go judge who? This will not be a matter of whether who go judge. We need to find out, at least make we ensure say this matter we carry a reach what we feel reach, then make we know who and who go sit on top of their matter and also judge them if they know whether they get you or not.
You know my problem with all this stuff when you talk. We need to, we go, we should, we will, we. You have still continue in this your practice of we shall. Nkubi, if the DSS come and tell us, say, for this man house, they see 54 million. This one house, they see 35 million.
On what ground?
This one house, they see 4.something million.
On what ground you see that release them?
They see 177,000.
On what ground you see that release them?
They see.
On the ground of self-recognition, how they release them?
These people supposed to go court.
On the ground of self-recognition, you want me to keep that, make them lock them up? And they said the investigation continues. Allow the investigation continue. No something will come out from the investigation.
They release them on self-recognition. Una go person house for midnight, ungodly hour. What is ungodly about the hour? Una break law.
What is ungodly about the hour? DSS get any right to raid anybody's house, to go anybody, as long as they find, they know say, yeah, this person did something. You want them to say police as they do so, you want them to say police get duration when they will work.
Nkubi.
Police get duration when they will work.
Nkubi. Person when
police tell me 247 work.
Nkubi. Person when snatch back.
I ask to answer me.
Wait now.
They tell me say this thing.
You dey fight corruption. You dey fight badness for society. Poor man snatch bag for person hand. They catch him, carry and go police station. Then they give him bail. Answer my question. Answer my question.
On self-recognition, on self-recognition,
thank you. Nigerians make una dey hear o. Self-recognition. Self-recognition means say you look this. Self-recognition means say you look this person talk say, I recognize you. You are a big man. You are a senior citizen. Nkubi, may I come ask you?
No.
Wait.
I recognize you. You are a judge of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you.
And for that, you have handled case over time.
Thank you.
I release you. No going to give that kind of way.
Somebody when you go in house for middle of the night, you say you don't follow up for 7 months. You bust in door. You enter. Everybody lie down. You manhandle. You do everything. You go carry 54 million naira cash for your house. You carry $177,000 cash for your house. You can't tell us on Monday, say you release him on self-recognition. Meanwhile, you go thief back, you go thief purse. When 250 days inside, they go carry you, they don't go give you bail. They don't give you bail before. All the time when you thief, they give you bail. The poor man now. No, it's a poor. I'm talking of
all the time when you thief. I've never stolen before.
I'm talking of poor people.
I have never stolen in my life before.
Why is your conscience judging you?
No, because you don't talk about all the time when you don't thief. If I ask all the time you don't thief, they don't give you grant bail before.
I don't call your name.
No, you pointed at me.
Because now only me and you there. The reason why I use you now because of say you are a common man.
You are trying to just incite. No, you try to tell something.
Nkubi, tell Nigerians.
No. This is how you do it.
Nkubi, tell Nigerians. Are you a common man or you are not a common man?
I'm a Nigerian.
Because they don't give you filling station. Nigerians, can you see? You are not a common man. You don't even feel admit for people when they claim say you defend. I'm a common man. I'm a comrade.
I'm a
Nigerian citizen.
I'm a Nigerian.
I'm fighting for the Nigerian people.
No, Ogobiora. I'm a Nigerian. Ogobiora is a Nigerian. We're all Nigerians.
I don't give them bail now. We don't see una.
No talk. But we hear Ogobiora talk, Joe.
Good morning, Chukwudi Nkubi.
Good morning, Ogobiora.
Make una take am easy.
Now you go need to one more.
Chukwudi, see wetin I dey tell you, ba.
Thank you.
I tell you, say this government na government of propaganda.
Thank you.
But the main truth is say you can never achieve anything with propaganda.
Tell him.
Now, see what the government wants. Yeah? They want to go inside people's house, collect their money. They are not after the justice or waiting or investigation. Those money where they collected from those people's hands now, they don't kolobi the money with that. Don't say they go to turn and buy. They don't kolobi out.
They can't give them bail on self-recognition.
That's the issue. That their money they want kolobi. Nothing concern them with the way they money or something like that. As long as they don't collect your money, they don't do. And again, they want every single Nigeria to be afraid. If you mention before you put the beam, you don't fall for ground. But it not go work. How long will it last? If you cannot put a foundation that people will build on, and you think that you will use intimidation, the country can never grow. Today, if Special Assistant to President or Judicial Affairs, Mr. Okon Obala, if you hear what the man said yesterday in Channel TV, you will pity this our country, Nigeria. But one thing, why are they having to say anything will go wrong must go wrong?
Allow him to finish. Allow him to finish.
I want to ask him a question.
Allow him to finish. Allow him to finish.
Don't try to point at me.
Ogobiora, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Allow him to finish. You want to round him up by force.
I want to ask him a question.
Ask him which question.
Before you go out, wait.
Thank you. Continue. Yes.
So now, River State people write petition against Amechi. That petition is still under the thing today.
Oh.
Ekiti people write petition against former governor. Fayose or Fashola Fayose. Up to today, the petition is underground. So what are you telling me? Who is petition? Now again, look, if you want the AIT video of that Port Harcourt issue, you will see that DSS use knife, use digger, remove the door before they enter. Are they not criminals? Why are you going to arrest somebody with a digger?
Ogobiora, allow him finish. Allow him, please. Allow him. Thank you, Ogobiora. Continue. Fire him. Fire him.
Ogobiora, you be the president. You be the head of DSS. You come here and say, he get some judges, some corrupt judges say we don't complain to judiciary now one of our bigger problems. Say some judges over time they don't carry money onto say to take address court.
Ask your question straight. Why are you wasting time?
And you come here the room and say okay, see you.
Invite those people. You invite them, and then when you invite them, you interrogate them. They will give you what you ask them question. They give you answer.
Thank you.
Why are you going there by 1 o'clock midnight?
But the fact that they see money for their houses, not be clear evidence say they really they get hand for
Ogobiora. Thank you very much for your important contribution. God bless you. Your question now don't backfire.
I take backfire.
You don't even fear us and finish.
I take backfire. You allow me ask
DJ exclusive. DJ exclusive. You just.
I will not take that from you.
Now, you know how I talk. Fire you.
You know how I talk.
You don't give them bail. I mean, you never give them bail.
You know how I talk.
They house now. They know they house.
You don't do you.
They are lounging. They are not lounging.
You don't do you.
They are flexing. They are not flexing.
Okay.
They are enjoying their money. They are not enjoying their money. Initial gra. We will kill them. Foul. If you snatch person purse, they go give you bail. It's a question.
If you snatch person purse, they will give you bail.
It's my question.
Don't use me as an enemy.
It's my question.
Don't you ever.
You are the only person here.
I am not.
You need to understand my question.
I am not understanding your question.
Like this, you carry person Okada, they go give you bail.
Chukwudi.
If you thief the chicken, they go give you bail.
Chukwudi Ezugwu, sit proud.
Why you dey call my name in
Why don't I call your name? No, example. An example you want to.
It's my example.
Chukwudi,
you do your own example.
No. You carry person goat or fowl. They will give you bail.
I know kuku like goats.
Oh.
Oga Polycarp, they call us.
Oh, you don't even get. You got
I don't like goats. I like cow.
I won't be surprised.
Oga Polycarp, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
None of you is the police or DSS. None of you is the church.
Thank you. Tell him.
But hold on. Let us listen to him. We have to hear you.
Just like I said yesterday.
Yes.
What is good for the goose is good for the gander.
Thank you very much.
Because these judges has been a problem we have in Nigeria.
Uh-huh.
There was a time Britain called Nigeria technically corrupt. And they think that these judges have been doing their job. All this corruption will have been reduced by now. Many people are establishing themselves. Without anybody commit their age. Somebody can be arrested for wandering and charged for 5 years imprisonment. Somebody can be arrested for ordinary PSA or pickpocketing and give him 10 years imprisonment. If these judges have been sincere and been dispensing justice according to where it's supposed to be, all this will not be happening. This was happened in Abuja State during the election. I heard this man that Judicial has been arrested. Judicial, you know, he just want to cause trouble in that part of the state. And now they see the problem, they wanted to cause. Whatever is the case, let them tell the taste of their bitter fears that they give to people. This will be a lesson for other people.
Thank you.
They didn't do their work. So I'm not going to play. I don't blame police going there anytime. After all these visuals, private where they go their place, where the police they go their place.
Oga Polika. Oga Polika.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Oga
Let him
Polika.
get done. Let him get done.
Oga Polika.
Let him get done.
Oga Polika. Make I bring this question now. He be like say somehow. Now we dey like to dey make noise for Nigeria. When we don't make noise, say we are fighting corruption, we are doing this. Later, everything go come down. Remember, say Oga Sambo Dasuki going by December it go be 1 year since they don't catch up. That case, he just be like say no go forward. Else Zaki, Nnamdi Kanu, all these people like this. Me I come ask these judges when they talk say they see all this money for their hand, and by Monday they don't give them bail on self-recognition. Oga Polika, you think we are going anywhere?
We are heading somewhere. He will fire you.
Don't tell me. Don't is very correct. Let them do it. Maybe to trigger them up, and then they do fast dispensation of justice.
Oh, you see.
Of course, we are heading there. We are heading there.
We shall put everybody, no matter where this status person is.
Thank you, Oga Polika. Thank you. 2-0.
2-0. Who they give count here?
Oga Polika.
Oga Polika, thank you very much because for standing on the part of truth.
Thank you for making me 2-0.
You are in Nigeria.
Thank you for making me the winner.
2-0.
Thank you for making me the leader.
Who they give count here?
Oga Biora.
What did Oga Polika talk? He said what is good for the good is also good for the ganja. So the same way they happen for poor man, they also happen to the judge.
You dey give poor man bail?
Waiting. Self-recognition.
You dey give poor man bail?
Don't ask me that.
You answer the question now. You dey give poor man bail? Nkubi see breakdown of money here. Okoro Inyang hand $38,000 for person hand one night. $38,000, 4.3 million. When people, some parents they find minimum wage is 18,000, and by Monday you don't give a bail. Allow me to learn. Justice Adeni Yademola, 54 million for one person hand.
Take a
$171,000, and on Monday you give a bail. Let's continue. Unguta Sylvester, $319,000, one person hand. 35 million, one person hand, and by Monday you give them bail. Nkubi, I'm still asking you, if you thief person in Okada, they go give you bail. That's the question. That's the judiciary is your problem, and we are still doing. We are fighting corruption, and we are doing like this.
On this particular matter, make you try understand them. Make you talk. You understand. You also hear one of our president talk say one of our bigger problems na judiciary. I mean, you know that well,
and they don't give
and for us to also get it right. For us to also get it right, at least we need to gradually clean up that judiciary part, and that's what we're doing.
Gradually
we have a caller right now.
Gradually grant them bail. Grant them bail.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, who they talk to us? Oga Chibunna, who they hear you?
Chibunna from Lagos.
Yes, talk to us.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I agree to you, Oga Chibunna.
This thing where they talk just they scatter person head.
How?
Why the thing they scatter our head? They say if federal government, if they say to go to see something for a judge's house, big money like that, and they get the confirmation say they see money, why they go arrest them? Why did they arrest them? And if they arrest them, why did they release them?
The following day, self-recognition. Self-recognition.
If Oga Chibunna, if for constitution you get clause say okay, certain people, the same way you get immunity. Hold on, don't look at me that way.
Certain people.
You say when get immunity
crime.
clause.
When commit crime.
The same way we get immunity clause for governors and a couple of other people. You can't say, okay, certain people, some profile Nigerians will get top this thing. They get close, okay, on self-recognition or self-anything. Say, so if you find yourself in this situation, we'll give you this kind of leverage. Say, you think say this one they wrong.
Allow him to fire you.
Nkubi, let me tell you, nobody is above the law.
Thank you.
If the judges has made mistake or they are corrupt, let them find it. Look at the case of Dansuki. Why Dansuki, they know how to do opening trial for him? Why are they hiding his case? Let them open it, because when he go London, when he go US, he make an open, let the world know that the man stole a lot. Let them open his trial. Let them all the whole Nigeria. This Dansuki case is not a case that you will do it a secret trial. It's something that you have to open it up. Let the whole Nigerian see. These kind of judges, they go their house by that time of the night, break their house. Why? What is the essence of arresting them?
But they uncover money.
Keep them behind the bar.
Don't.
Keep them behind the bar. They are not above the law. Since they are the corrupting, since they are the one corrupting Nigeria, or since Buhari feel they are the problem that he has, let them keep them behind the bar.
It is a gradual process, my brother.
It's not about arrest them. Let them be conviction.
It is a gradual process.
Put them behind the bar.
You also there will say their matter now. They say they will carry and go court.
Oga Chibuna, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Nkubi, you are a drowning man. 3-0. Everybody when you come here, they talk one thing. Why is it looking like Nigeria? We get big people, we get small people. Una still they continue the same tradition. You boss person house by 1 o'clock for midnight. You see all this money on Monday. Babe, self-recognition. What is self-recognition? What do you mean by self-recognition? For somebody who commits crime, you are telling me because they be judge. You are a judge. You are a judge. It is still initial unless we see conviction, unless they take these people to court, unless we begin to see action, it is initial.
Make you know the kind of time when you take address me or refer to me.
Because you
don't you ever say I'm a drowning. Don't you ever? Okay. Mind the kind of languages you going to use for me.
Because you are the God of iron, Abi. You are the God of iron. You are God of thunder.
I will be drowning man.
Because
or what God? Don't you ever?
Obiora.
Hey, don't.
Polycarp from Enugu.
Don't.
Chibuna
don't ever talk say I'm a drowning man.
Your point
I'll not take that from you.
Your point is drowning.
No, you made the point.
Your point is drowning.
Look, I will not take that from you.
How can you give somebody with all this thing, you still give person bail?
Oga Prince, good morning. Prince, good morning. Will they hear you?
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Prince, as a comrade, I must continue to
let him talk.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
You don't tell. I
yes.
Just call to at least let you know that I'm back.
We appreciate.
So welcome back, Oga Prince.
Are you still here?
Thank you very much. Chukwudi, I just want to tell you to carry on. At least you are doing a very good job here. At least, say yes, you see truth and you talk. And based on saying you go church, you sit down in front of church.
Hey, Oga Prince, I don't understand you.
Thank you very much.
I don't understand you.
Some other time. I just let me just go to let you down back.
Thank you very much, Oga Prince. Welcome to As E Dey Hot. We really appreciate the fact say you dey remember us. I beg, tell your Kaduna people, make them continue to the work they go. See, he just even call to even come look say, Nkubi, a lot of things have happened to you on this program. How can you be defending what is not right? How can you be defending what is not right? You see, but I appreciate say they get love for you because the way when my plan for you till 2019. My plan for you till 2019. You are already as you did like you are sitting on gas cooker.
You sit on
gas cooker.
You sit on explosive.
Now it's a literary expression.
I'm also using a literary example for you.
Why you always they take things personal? I use example say if you thief, they give judge bail. If you thief Okada or goat, they go give you bail. You begin to talk say if me.
No, example. We are exchanging example.
But are you not sitting on a gas cooker?
The same way you're sitting on an explosive.
I'm not sitting on gas cooker. I'm firing on all cylinders.
Do I look like somebody that is sitting on anything?
You're under pressure.
Sitting on a chair.
You're under pressure.
You'll be on a bigger pressure.
Okay, if you know say you know the under pressure, unbutton your suit, whether smoke no go come out of your body, you are going to explode. If you unbutton your suit now, you do poof. Because I sure say as you dey try hold you are holding a lot of things inside you.
May I not talk so you don't wear. But let me just keep that. Mind yourself for this program.
May you not talk say nowhere.
It don't do you. You said enough. Let's go on a break. You said enough.
Nkubi, you say may you not talk say nowhere. You don't talk am already now.
No, let's go on a break. But you know me.
So you mean that I'm sick?
Let's go on a break.
Or you mean I'm not stable?
Yes, and welcome back. If they watch us for Go TV channel 98, Star Times channel 195, and My TV channel 17, and if not for free to air, they watch us channel 57. The program now asks E Dey Hot. Chukwudi see the studio. And what will they talk about today? We will look at the DSS arrest versus the judiciary. We're going to ask this question, this very solid question. Should anything fit come out from this? Because we hear say the DSS don't do it, they don't release the judges that do it with the arrest over the weekend, and right about say they release them on self-recognition. But the question we come to ask say, hey, self-recognition, say they will continue from there. And we come to ask say, should anything will fit come out from? Because over time we don't see a lot of release. Say they will do it, they will carry the matter go court. But yet, as we speak, we never hear anything about court matter on top of previous cases. And we come to ask the same question. Check this one when I talk to them, will carry go court. We go see anything come out of them. Now the battle they discuss, and we'll stay correct in our phone call to also hear on our own view on top of this particular issue. So Chukwudi, me as a Nigerian, going by the...
Are you a Nigerian? I don't know, say you be Nigerian, because you get some things when you say you don't argue here. When be like, say, maybe not from Sao Tome and Principe, now you come from. But continue.
Me as a Nigerian, I'll continue. No problem. I'll continue.
You even talk am again. Be like, hey, you not sure. Are you sure you are a Nigerian?
Yes, allow me talk.
Okay, talk am for the third time.
Me as a Nigerian,
okay,
I believe in one particular thing. And that's what I believe in. Say, if Oga President don't come and talk, say, okay. Say a particular sector of our government, they give an issue. And where, of course, they mentioned the judiciary. And we need to also get it right before we go also fight corruption. And what to be one of the reasons why I talk this thing. Over time, we don't see cases, pending cases they drag. And as a result of this, waiting for the cost because of the kind of corruption they play out inside this particular matter. So the issue of calling say, at least with this move, I believe say Oga President, at least go achieve particular result out of this. We get Ahmed. Ahmed, they call us all the way from Ikoyi. Good morning, Ahmed. Welcome to AS E Dey Hot. Ahmed, good morning. Okay, Ahmed, you there?
Okay, Ahmed, I beg if you get a chance to call us back. We would like to hear your contribution for this particular issue. Why Oga Ahmed go take talk? Because I'm sure he's in shock. As he connect, he just remember say, they have granted them bail. He just keep quiet.
Hey, keep quiet there. Keep quiet.
When I don't give them bail, make them go out.
Keep quiet.
Make them go back, go prepare.
They call,
okay, this is how we are going to go about it.
I know you will call back. Don't.
Take them to court. In fact, yesterday Monday.
And we will take them to court.
When?
We will take them to court.
Give us a date.
But must I be specific?
Must
I give you a date?
Wait.
Do I look like the federal government we arrest them? Do I look like DSS?
Thank you.
So why tell me to give you a date?
Wait now. Must you be specific? Don't worry.
What is that supposed to mean?
You tell us that you see $171,779. 54 million naira. $319,475. 35 million naira. You also tell us that you see $38,233,000.
Pass it there. $4.3 million. Enough. We have the caller. Just hold it there. Oga Obiora, good morning.
You see why I come back?
Okay, Oga Obiora, yeah, welcome back.
People think they would support corruption. But not waiting with the talk. Waiting with the talk, they say, don't do a good thing in a wrong way. That is our problem. If you are doing a good thing in a wrong way, you are wrong. So, if those judges are corrupt, now that you have catch them, you have to bring out them, take them to court, and what you do to Dazuki as a corrupt man, you do it to those judges. What you do to other people that refuse bail, even when they come out and say, bail these people, allow these people to go, say no. You give them the same treatment. But anytime that you are giving somebody treatment different and giving another person another different treatment, it means that even you that's fighting corruption is a corrupt person. So what you do today is not what you do today. But the most dangerous thing on these things is that those people that this government is fighting now, when they will fight this government back, you will see that our people say that all the Catholic priests, they wear trousers. But that their white clothes, they make people don't say they wear trousers. But when the breeze blows, you don't say them matter, they wear trousers. So likewise, every politician, nobody they clean. So make they think of easy with people, and many people don't say when they say what thing going to do. But when they don't say we support corruption. Even me, I don't know those judge, but as a person, even me they do me, I don't go they happy. Now, what did I talk again? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wazobia, for calling back, because I know say as a true Nigerian way it be, at least all you want now, make we get fair judgment in the system. Make we see a situation whereby at least people where they indict, people where we say they accuse say they do a particular thing or they steal money, make we see a true, make we see a continuation of their matter, make we see the matter go court, make they indict them, make they judge them, make we see them serve their times if necessary. Now, of course, now wetin all Nigerians want, and now wetin we also urge ourselves to at least to support to ensure say at least issues like this, make we no do it, make we no relent, make we ensure say this issues like this, we see them to the end, so at least we go dey learn from that. At least our leaders go also know say yes, we don't reach that level where we say at least we don't be very conscious of how things they take play out for government. That is what it should be.
I happy as Oga Obiora take use the point, humble you. Now you come, see, this is what they call backtrack. You have backtracked.
Please.
You have backtracked.
Hold it there.
Hold it where?
Hold it there.
Hold it where?
Don't.
Hold it where?
Hold it there.
Let us begin to see and know that we are indeed committed to this.
Hold it there. I don't tell you.
Don't tell me what it.
I don't tell you. For the last time, hold it there.
Which last time? What can you do? Which one be for the last time? For which last time?
I have my reasons. I have my point standing down, and I know why they talk with I talk.
Which point?
Corruption don't fit this country.
Which point?
And they've tried our best to ensure say we start to take Tanisham, get rid of them.
You can't give people.
We have Oga Paul. Oga Paul is calling us from Ikoyi. Good morning, Oga Paul.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Paul, I agree to see as your voice even come down. You show say this thing they pay you well.
I dey hello now try well.
Thank you very much, Oga Paul.
You know what thing dey happen for this country?
Waiting, we dey hear you.
You know, I still dey remember wetin our president talk say him be for everybody and him be for nobody. You know, say people wey dey for APC na him dey for. So people wey dey for PDP him no go dey for. Anybody wey dey among the people wey be train our president when he was the military president, him go fight am. Him go fight am till tomorrow. He fit use DSS to go make them destroy wetin they do, or anybody that is coming in this Nigeria saying want to fight corruption. And that corruption wey him wan fight, it's one-sided corruption. He didn't touch any people wey belong to him according to him wey he say is for everybody. So if you are a member of APC, you are everybody, but if you are a member of PDP, you are nobody. So corruption will come to you and they will fight you till tomorrow. Whether you dey clean or not, he will fight you. That's the thing I know about this regime. So there is nothing like saying they fight corruption, because even those lawyers say nobody is clean. Nobody is clean in this country. Everybody is corrupt. Even the president himself corrupt. So now waiting I won't talk with that one. If they won't fight corruption, make them start from up. All those traveling, where that guy they travel, if they use that money in the way that they go send a travel, all that money, waiting with that one, not be corruption. Now corruption, everybody they corrupt, including you are the top, we they corrupt. So when we forget about all those things, now waiting I won't talk with that one.
Oga Paul, thank you very much for this your important contribution. But as you don't already agree, say corruption a major problem when don't go down our society. It go dey good make we as a people come out, because na bad thing, and the reason why plenty people inside of Nigeria they suffer. Why it be say people go travel out of this country, they go look other countries, go look say this country dey okay, make I go do holiday for here, or make I get property here, so that in case things dey like this, make I come rest. Why we don't fit turn our own country when we say na land of milk and honey? God don't bless us. It get what they call Hurricane Matthew. The whole of southern Haiti just be like dustbin. He don't even reach America, and they go some kind of places. Why e be say for our society we get situation when we say some kind of things no dey happen to us, but now we dey use our hand dey spoil our country. E no dey make sense at all. So we must join hands, support government wey wan pursue corruption, make we comot corruption inside our obodo Nigeria. We get somebody on top of our telephone line.
Oga Suleiman, all the way from Naija. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we dey hear you.
Chukwudi.
I dey greet Oga Suleiman.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to ask you a question. Assuming DSS is by those judges, say they come. Meanwhile, DSS don't get permission, get money for your house, money from corruption. You say they don't hide that money.
They go hide the money.
Because DSS come to the office, come to say, we get money okay for us, so we could have collect them. So definitely this operation, now to get the red and to get that evidence.
Oga Suleiman.
So that is why that operation was necessary.
Oga Suleiman.
Everybody knows that they will pay the last. But they have to...
Oga Suleiman.
He's not done now.
Oga Suleiman, you dey hear me?
Listen to what the DSS do. Fine, they beg them, but let the case continue. Let every Nigeria put eye for the matter.
Oga Suleiman, the question now say, you talk, you don't already talk, say, everybody knows, say, then go bail them last. That one means, okay, well, maybe one particular pattern or one particular method, when would they always they follow, you know, say the thing go still continue like this. Now, when plenty Nigerians, they ask, say, if you get, this is now what they call incriminating evidence. You talk, say, you don't trail these people for 7 months. You talk, say, you don't spread web. You go there with all the intent, say, you won't bust them. See the moment they scatter the door. You can't carry all these things, give us in detail, say, see all the money where you see. Then by Monday, you can't grant them bill. Now, the question I say,
it's left for Nigerians now to make sure they follow up that case and get
Oga Suleiman, how will we go to follow? How we go to follow the case now? How will we go to follow the case? Now we go catch them.
Allow Suleiman talk.
Just the same way you talk, there are some of us will talk. If all of us continue to talk, they will follow.
Oga Suleiman, you don't talk.
Oga Suleiman, all the talk we don't talk.
Thank you very much.
One conviction we never see.
I don't talk and say.
One single conviction we never see.
Nigerians as a whole, we know say things they bad. If we self not drive ourselves to ensure say that's the way we not say they bad, we see to a
where you want drive yourself go. When the people when we say that then they control all the institutions, they don't drive go forward. You see, they don't add new song. You know, before they get Solomon Grundy, born on Monday, Christian on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, took ill on Thursday. You know, go know the song. You know, go private. Was on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. You see, now only the first and last one. No,
no, just they keep.
Make I can't talk the new one when DSS don't through now. 7 judges arrested on Friday. Make noise on Saturday, picture on Sunday, bail on Monday. That is the end of DSS and judges. Now the new song we're going to sing now. 7 judges arrested on Friday, going on Saturday, granted bail on Sunday, nothing on Monday. That is the end of DSS and judges.
Come.
Correct it. Correct it.
Say now our system they take this thing like this.
Which your system they do?
Our Nigerian system.
Festus, they call us from Lagos.
Don't you
that
ever.
That is what it is.
Don't you ever.
Oga Festus, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Please.
Thank you, my brother.
Please.
Hello.
Good morning, Festus. Good to hear you.
Good morning, my brother.
Yes, talk to us.
Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga Festus.
How you doing?
I dey fine.
Forget about that thing, no. All na story. You say you arrest somebody. Hello?
We dey hear you.
Say you arrest somebody with evidence. Evidence of money. Why can't that person bail my brother?
The following day, sharp.
Not be to carry and go court.
But not immediate action now, Oga Festus.
Yeah,
they thought us they will carry and go court.
Yeah, not be to carry them go court.
They will still carry them go court.
Then go steal.
They have been released on self-recognition.
Then go steal.
Which you have been self-recognition. You said you don't catch thief with evidence. You said don't release thief again on self-recognition. Which self-recognition is that? Which type of arrangement is that? All na story, all na political.
But Oga Festus, now ask you this question, a quick one. Okay, if peradventure, for instance, we don't say at least they don't establish this matter, they can't say okay, and they know eventually if we don't see this matter enter court, what do you think say we go fit do to ensure say at least we see the end?
These people wait now. DSS say they don't follow this matter for 7 months. 7 months not doing enough to carry investigation and charge person to court.
I dey hear you.
So 7 months is not enough to do investigation and carry somebody to court. And after getting all the necessary information you want, you call them with money, millions of naira, at Ezugwu. Now you say one use them on bail. Then we cut that again, are you carrying them again? My brother, forget to all the propaganda. This government has lost direction. Every time, look at the scenario now. Every time people are complaining of something of hardship, they just come with one big story that we take our mind from the reality on ground. That has been their system.
But in this case, Oga Festus,
see as Oga Festus don't humble you.
You feel say,
use all points.
Hold on, let me ask my question.
In
you
this
feel
case,
say that they try to
Oga
deviate
Festus,
Nigerian mind from the present reality or from the present challenges that they face.
Exactly.
But we also be in mind, so one of the problems that they put us in that same condition, that corruption.
Which one with corruption? They are just a diversionary measure. Tactics. You know,
Oga Festus,
market now. You know, people are time. Price of this and that has skyrocketed. Now, to put your mind away from the economic catching, they just come with a...
Oga Festus, in fact, you don't talk well. Thank you very, very much for that contribution. Make we do it. Make we quickly go for this other break. When we come back, we're going to enter the final lap of this program. Me no go.
They have finished you.
They will finish you.
No. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. From here, what would they so now? Now, the final bus stop. We see they take calls as you get to do with your contribution on this particular issue. Information don't come and say the DSS don't release the judges they win a packet based on Saturday morning, early morning, on self-recognition. And plenty Nigerians, they come and they talk, say, this particular action by the DSS, if you carry out arrest based on, say, you find incriminating evidence, and you can't release these people on self-recognition, if we compare them to what happened to some ordinary people when they thief goat, phone, or Okada for inside the Bodo Nigeria, shall you not be saying at the same pattern when they follow when we say, okay, oh, recognition, go court, adjourn, this one, that one, and before you know, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, the case don't tire everybody. But other people they talk say, under this government of change, the way when we say, okay, president, they go, not be just initial gra, we go see plenty action. If you get chance, call in, make your contribution as you get to do with this issue, because when they talk, say, AS E DEY HOT, now the only democracy when they're on top of television, sake of say, you go talk your mind, we know they want insult, we know they want disrespect, but you go talk your mind without any fear. Just like everybody don't talk their mind, and Nkubi, he don't come down.
You know they want disrespect, you know they want insult. The ones where you don't do, where you don't talk here, uncle.
Which one I do? Which one I talk?
The examples where they take them.
By disrespect and insult, we mean don't make allegations that you cannot substantiate. We mean don't go about insulting people or assassinating their character. I use you do example. I talk say if then give judge bail because now self-recognition. I can't say if you thief chicken,
no,
if you thief goat, what will happen?
I don't want you to make me take me.
Let me also dedicate this song again. DSS and 7 judges arrested on Saturday, bailed on self-recognition on Sunday. We make noise on Monday. That is the end of DSS and 7 what? Judges. I'm not going to surprise if they begin to sing this song for school. Let us see. This thing they clear. Make we begin to see results. Oh, okay, all this money we want to collect now. Tell us what we going to use and do. Tell us what we go see. All this money we want to collect. Over 500,000 US dollars. Over 93 million naira. Over 25,000 euros. Over 5,000 pounds. They even see Argentine money. Now don't borrow the change. If na poor man, hey, kill him, hang him. We don't even know say they even in prison. Yes, but now you are giving them on self-recognition. You have said enough. Because he's a judge. You have said enough. Because he's a judge. You have said enough. DSS and 7 judges. You have said enough. You don't do. No, you have said enough. Not turn our country into a mockery ground where you go to take the dedicate song for which can nonsense be that? Thank you. Look our country finish. Look the case where federal government they handle it, turn into song. What's that supposed to be? The case between Senate President Bukola Saraki and Ike Kwelemadu. What did them do last week? It's still ongoing. What did them do last week? It's still ongoing. What did them first do last week? It's still ongoing. What did they do last week? It's still ongoing. It's wrong to say it's ongoing. It's still ongoing. It's wrong to say it's ongoing. As long as the matter still day on. The matter not day on. No matter if yesterday. Whether they put an end to them previously, can't reopen them again, it is still on. Let me now refresh your memory because if I say your memory now na 20th century memory. No, I want to update your OS. You have moved away from using me as an example. How they tag me? My memory got to do with it. I want to upgrade your OS. Remember the time when you talk, say, make you not talk, say, I nowhere. So make a refresh. If like your memory. Oh, really? Na kilobytes, okay. Your memory they use. Kilobytes, now they use. Okay, nice. You don't forget, say, last week, we hear, say, oh, they don't drop the charges. So they even the Senate President and the Deputy Senate President, 2 of them raise their hand like this, they say, victory, victory, victory. Yesterday, we come again and say, they won't fight separate charges. All these things. It's Maradona, C. Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Ronaldinho, and Raul kind of arrangement. In fact, I will add Ian Acho, because Ian Acho said don't begin to do all those kind of things. It's a C. Ronaldo kind of arrangement. It's a Lionel Messi, Neymar Jr., Suarez kind of arrangement. When we go to see this, let us begin to see action. May 29 of this October will be how many months? Let us be moving forward. Let us be seeing things. We don't talk about Mumi Jubri own. He don't go abi in the suspension abi you know the suspension. We talk about running concerts there abi we don't talk about that. Anybody say anything about that? But as a comrade, I will continue to stand and speak for the people. I will continue to speak out.
Who is not speaking for the people?
We know you now.
Who is not speaking for
you
the people?
You know they wear suit before. Every time hat, Naija Delta hat, Naija Delta hat. Now you don't begin to wear suit. Your birthday we see, we know the thing when they give you. Now you are here, you are saying this thing. You are not you when we say for television, you deny say you know the common man. You go see what will happen to you. Nigerians, you know who is speaking the truth here, and you know the bad man here. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come out smoke. Remember, Nigeria and our country, he no go spoil. Maybe we join our hands together to move this our country forward. Forward Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. No talk anything because I don't finish the show. I don't finish the show. No talk anything. Bye-bye. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.